Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Code Interpreter in ChatGPT. So let's get started. And remember, Code Interpreter is just for ChatGPT Plus users. So first of all, you have to go to GPT-4, and at the moment you can see there is no Code Interpreter plugin here. So you can click these three dots here, click Settings, go to Beta Features, and then enable Code Interpreter. And after that, you can close this window. And now you go to ChatGPT-4 and select Code Interpreter. After you select Code Interpreter, you will see a plus sign here to upload a file. So to upload a file, you can upload any kind of file. For example, you can also upload a zip file. It will extract all the files inside the zip file. Code Interpreter can do a lot of things, but in this video, I will specifically talk about how to do data analysis with Code Interpreter. So let's see how ChatGPT can help you to analyze your data using Code Interpreter. First of all, you need to upload data. So I already have a CSV file. I will go to data folder and click ch4 emissions.csv. So you open this file and you can say use the file and do some basic analysis. At the moment, I don't have any information about this data. I will just enter this command and it will start the analysis. So you can see it says the data set appears to contain the data about CH4 emission of various countries over from years 1990 to 2018. And it also specify all the columns in the data. And it says there are some missing values, so it will try to handle them. So it says we check for missing values, get some descriptive statistics, check number of unique countries in the data set, and check range of years for which we have data. Now it is providing some basic analysis of the data set. So it says there are significant numbers of missing values, and the year 1994 have fewest missing values with 42 values which are missing. It provides some basic descriptive statistics. So it says for yearly emission data, the mean, standard deviation, minimum, 25th percentile, 75th percentile, and maximum are provided. So if you want to see the code, you can click here. And here you can also see all the results. And you can also see the code written by Code Interpreter. Okay, if you have no idea what to do further with this data, you can ask the ChatGPT to give me the 10 ideas of trends, visualizations, and analysis I could perform with this data. So if you enter this command, it will give you the 10 ideas about this data to do analysis. So you can see it provides us with 10 different ideas about analysis we can do with this data. So you can select any analysis as per your requirement, and you can ask Code Interpreter to perform it for you. Or if you like to perform all of the analysis, you can say, hey, please do all of these analysis for me. For example, let's say I'll choose what are the top emitters of the CH4 emission in the world. So we can select it and you can paste it here, and you can also provide some more details. Let's say I say, please explain all analysis for a beginner and make simple as much as possible. And let's press enter. So it will start the analysis and explain all the steps it will take. And then it will write the code and provide the results. So after explaining all the steps, it will start doing the analysis. And you can see it is writing the code here. And after doing the analysis, it is creating a visualization chart. So you can see it is providing a chart for top 10 countries with the highest emission in the world for CH4. So you can see how easy it is. So you just give the commands and it will keep on doing the analysis for you. Similarly, you can ask for other analysis and it will keep on doing for you. Let's ask one more question. You can say, what are some insights and takeaways from this data set? And let's see what does it says. So it will provide some insights about this data. So in this video, I just show you how to do data analysis using Code Interpreter. Apart from this one, you can use Code Interpreter to animate an image, make videos from images, extract text from images, generate QR codes, make some simple plots, and you can also summarize PDF files. And you can also make some graph of mathematical functions. That's just a glimpse of what the ChatGPT Code Interpreter can do. It's a powerful tool that can save you time and make your task easier. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy coding.